Welcome to this video on how to use the 7 keyword boxes for Amazon KDP. Now, as an author, you want your book to be easily discoverable by potential readers, and choosing the right keywords is a crucial part in making that happen. Now, Amazon's keyword feature is an important tool to help readers find your book, and in this video, we'll be covering how to use it effectively. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to choose the right keywords to fill in the 7 keyword boxes for Amazon KDP. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about helping you become self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content books on Amazon KDP. So if that sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. With that being said, let's get started. First, let's start by understanding the purpose of the 7 keyword boxes on Amazon KDP. Now, essentially, these keywords help readers discover your book when they search for specific topics, genres, or themes. When a reader types in a keyword or a phrase in the Amazon search bar, the algorithm searches through all of the books on the site, and it will display the ones that match those search terms. So by choosing the right keywords for your book, you can improve the chances of your book appearing in the search results and being seen by potential readers. But it's not just about using any random keywords. You want to choose the right ones that accurately describe your book's content, genre, tone, and themes. This will help ensure that the right readers find your book and that your book doesn't get lost in the sea of search results. Now that we understand the purpose of the 7 keyword boxes, let's talk about how to choose effective keywords that'll help readers find your book. First, it's important to think like a potential buyer. So consider what words or phrases that they might use when searching for a book like yours. For example, if you created a coloring book with nature-inspired designs, potential buyers might search for keywords like nature coloring book, floral coloring pages, or outdoor coloring activities. Next, consider using long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that can help your book stand out in a crowded field. For example, instead of using the broad keyword coloring book, you might want to use adult coloring book with intricate designs, or nature coloring book for stress relief. Another tip is to be descriptive. Use words that accurately describe your book's content, theme, and style. So for example, if your coloring book is designed to be used with colored pencils, you might want to use keywords like colored pencil coloring book or detailed coloring book for pencil artists. Finally, you want to research your competition. Look at other coloring books in your genre and then see what keywords they're using. Don't copy all of their keywords, but you can use them as inspiration to come up with your own effective keywords. Now that we talked about how to choose effective keywords, let's talk about how to actually fill in these 7 keyword boxes on Amazon KDP. So when you're publishing your book on KDP, you're going to be asked to fill in these 7 keyword boxes in the keywords section right here. Now, each box can hold 50 characters, and it's important to make the most of each one. So a tip that I have for you is use all 7 boxes. You don't want to leave any of these boxes blank because this will be a missed opportunity to help readers find your book. Secondly, you want to keep in mind to put your most important keywords in this first box right here. We don't know this for sure, but we tend to agree that the first box has the most weight in Amazon's algorithm. So make sure to put your most relevant and important keyword right here. Third, you want to use different variations of your keywords. So for example, if your keyword is nature coloring book, then you might also want to use coloring book with nature designs, or maybe nature inspired coloring book. The next tip is don't use duplicate words. So as you can see with these keywords, we have nature a couple of times, we have coloring a couple of times, and book a couple of times. You don't want to use duplicate keywords. You just want to delete all the duplicates because you're just wasting space when you could be filling it in with other keywords. The next tip is don't use plurals. As you can see here, designs has a plural. You could easily just put design, and Amazon will actually search plurals of every word that you put into these keywords. Next is don't use filler words like for, a, in, etc. So for example, coloring book with nature design, you don't have to put this filler word of with. You can just delete that, and Amazon will still understand what you're trying to say. Next is you want to use all 50 characters of each keyword box. Like I said before, you don't want to leave any boxes blank because this will be a missed opportunity to help readers find your book. Now, you don't want to use keywords that are not relevant to your book's content because this can lead to negative reviews and it can damage your reputation as an author, and you don't want that. Next is you want to consider using keywords in different languages because this can help your book reach readers who search in languages other than English. So think about the word color and the word color. It's the same word, but it's a different language. So consider using keywords in different languages. And then lastly, monitor your book's performance and adjust your keywords as needed. If you're not seeing the results that you want, try switching up your keywords and monitoring how they perform. Now let's take all of the keywords that we've mentioned in this video and let's try to fill in these 7 keyword boxes for Amazon KDP. So what would I do first, right? The first thing I would do is I would take out all the duplicates. So as you can see, nature, coloring book, we have coloring here and book. So I'll delete here, coloring book, nature inspired has a hyphen. I'll take out the hyphen and nature, keep inspired. Coloring, take that out, take coloring book here out, and then nature, coloring book. Next, I would take out filler words like for, with. So I would take this out, for, with. And then I would look for plurals. So you don't want the same word and then the plural of that word because that's basically the same as a duplicate. So artists is okay. Pages is okay because there's not page or artist. Designs is okay. So now we have, I believe we have all unique keywords here. The next thing that I would do is I would try to integrate all these keywords in this first keyword box. Okay, so I took out some of the keywords and I put them in the first box, and I have nature inspired coloring book, stress relief, adult. So now that we've cleaned it up, this is what it looks like. The first keyword box is nature inspired coloring book, stress relief, adult. And then we have intricate designs, detailed pencil artists, floral, pages. So now we have all of this, and you can fill it in with a lot of other keywords. So for example, you can use words like him, her. So think about who someone might be buying this book for. Him, her. You could use son, daughter, father, mother. You could use co-worker. You could put in gift, present. You could put in grandma and grandpa, these type of words. Now keep in mind, Amazon will interchange these keywords to try to come up with combinations of what consumers might be searching. And the most important part is to, like I said before, make sure to try to fill in the entirety of the box, of the 50 characters of each box, which will help your book reach out to more consumers. So I've gone ahead and filled in all the 7 keyword boxes of exactly how I would do the keywords and enter them in for a book that I would be making. So we can go through it real quick. We have the nature-inspired coloring book, stress relief adult. We have appreciation, thoughtful, girl, boy, wilderness, intricate designs, detailed pencil, artist, floral. We have other words here that I've gone and found: outdoor, mindful, calming, meditation, botanical, pages, and then him, her, son, daughter, father. And then I put stress relief, see stress here and relief, but I couldn't fit it in. So I just put it in a box that had space, and that's okay because Amazon, like I said, will still interchange words until it gets to stress relief. And then we have Zen, inspirational, serene therapy, coloring, but spelt differently. And then coworker, gift, present, grandma, grandpa, and relaxing. So this is how I would do my keywords for a coloring book if I were going to submit this myself. Well, there you have it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, consider giving it a like. And if you like these type of videos, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. With that being said, thank you for watching. Bye for now.